Hello guys, this is Ahmed Al-Aziz speaking to you and welcome to another training video with Forex Trading Signal. In this video, we're gonna go to discuss the manufacturer PMI and the services PMI, and we will explain what are those indicators and how we can use these two indicators and use them for day-to-day trading. So stay with us, please. We will start in a moment. So if we ask ourselves, what does the ISM and BMI mean? When it comes to the BMI, B stands for purchase or purchasing, N stands for managers, and I stands for index. So the PMI, it's the purchasing managers index. However, from where these information are coming? So those information are coming from two locations. First, it is the IHS Market Institute and the IHS Market Company. They are an information service provider. So they are a source for the information. So they have some research and some studies for the Purchasing Managers Index. However, what does ISM mean? ISM means the Institute for Supply Management. So it's institute and it's also a source for the information and the research and the development. ISM refers to a non-profit supply management association which was established in 1915, provides research for corporation in the supply management and purchasing professions. So this is what does ISM mean, and those people are located in US. So now we understand ISM and BMI is the purchasing manager index. So the index, the indicator is the BMI. However, this indicator is being monitored and the information is being taken from the two institutes. So this is for other countries such as UK. This is for America, US. So now you understood what does ISM mean. So ISM located in US, and this is refers to ISM. However, the ISM is the institute which is looking after the BMI. That's why we say ISM and BMI. So BMI is an indicator coming from ISM institute. So that's why we call ISM manufacturer BMI. So it's the indicator, the BMI for the manufacturer coming from the ISM institute. So what does the ISM manufacturer BMI mean? Or let's say now, what is the manufacturer BMI mean? So basically it's a survey by ISM, which is given to more than 400 companies around the market. And in this survey, they're gonna go to ask questions about the economic condition within this manufacturer industry. So this is what does BMI manufacturer mean. When it comes to the services BMI, which is also survey created by the ISM, and this survey is asking them about the economy in general in their sector and about the services. So now we are discussing the USA BMI, and now since we are talking about the ISM, we are focusing on the USA BMI. However, whatever we are explaining here, it's applicable also to the other BMIs in other countries. But the difference that the information maybe doesn't come from the ISM, it comes from another research company, such as market. And now the US BMI, it's a survey targeting 5 topics. And those topics are the production level. So they're gonna go to ask the manufacturer and the service sector, how is your productivity? How much you are producing? And they're gonna go to ask questions about a new order. how is your order? Do you have a new order? How much is the new order? And so on. Is it low? So it's a questionnaire. And they're gonna go to ask also about the condition of the suppliers and the deliveries. How is your delivery? Are you delivering on time? What is your issues around delivery? And so on. And they're gonna go to also to ask these people about their inventories. Do they have a stock? Are they struggling to have the products on time? So what is their planning? Do they have surplus? Do they have extra stocks? And so on. So the questionnaire will continue and they will ask about the employment level. How many employees you have? Are you planning to recruit people? How is the productivity of the people? And so on. So these questions, it's about 5 topics, and these a big list of questions, and those questions are forwarded to more than 400 companies, and the ISM and the market, they are collecting this information and they are plotting them on chart, and they are seeing the condition of the BMI, the condition of the Purchasing Manager Index. So in general, to summarize, the survey will ask about the business, if it's better or same or worse for those 5 topics. But the question is big. Now we're going to go to know how this BMI is getting measured. So look at this graph. This graph is having a scale from 0 to 100. And I want you to pay attention to this line because this is the reference line and it's scaled at 50. And that is the reference point for the BMI. So now, if the economy growing, that means I will be having more businesses and more services, and the productivity is high. So now, if the questionnaire, all the managers, they are responding that the economy is good, the questionnaire about that 5 topic are good, the BMI indicator will go above 50. So that's will give us an indication that the BMI is telling us that the productivity is good. And this is related also to the GDP, because if the managers of the manufacturer and services sector says that the economy is good, that means their productivity is very high. And this is how we correlate the BMI with the GDP. Actually, this is an early indication that the GDP in the future, the GDP indicator in the future, it's going to be positive, because the BMI, if it's coming before the GDP, that means it's an early sign that the GDP is going to raise up. So if the result above 50, that means BMI is good and GDP is good. If the result below 50, you means that you have less services and less productivities. That means the business is not good. So below 50. So the measurement, if it's above 50, good. If it's below 50, bad. So also this is an early indication for the GDP. It tells you also that the GDP is going to drop. So now we understood above 50, more productivity. That means the productivity on the highest level. And when we have more productivity, more services, more factories, that means we need more employees. When we start to employ people, these people, they're going to go to earn money. And when they have money, these people, they're going to go to spend more. Then this is going to affect the GDP, the productivity of that domestic country. So now we have discussed about the BMI, and we have understood how to measure it, and we understood who is the person is monitoring the BMI and giving the information around the BMI. Now we need to know where to find the BMI. As usual, if you go to the Forex Factory website, you will find the US ISM manufacturer BMI, and also you will find the other countries' BMIs as well. And you have also the services BMIs, which I am not showing here. However, you can find it the same way in the Forex Factory website. So now you can see that the midline is 50. If the BMI is above 50, it's good. If the BMI below 50, it's bad. So now you can see how the BMI fluctuating with the GDP as well. So this is the full story about the BMI, and I hope that you understood what does it mean, who issue it, and where to find it, and how to measure it, and what are the main topics around the BMI and how it does affect the GDP. Please, if you like this video, click the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. This is Ahmed Al was speaking to you. See you in next training video.